This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Nissan Titan key fob. First, gather every key fob you intend to use, including any existing ones. Make sure all your vehicle's doors are securely closed and locked using the power lock switch on the driver's side door. This specific programming method is generally effective for many Nissan Titan models that do not feature a push-button start system. To begin, insert your ignition key into the cylinder and then remove it. You need to repeat this action 6 times within a 10-second window. It's important to fully insert and remove the key each time. If done correctly, your vehicle's hazard lights will flash, indicating that you have successfully entered the programming mode. If they don't flash, simply try the sequence again. Now, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the accessory or ACC position. Within 5 seconds, press any button on the first key fob you wish to program just once. The hazard lights will flash to confirm. If you have more key fobs, unlock and then lock the doors using the driver's side switch, and within 5 seconds, press any button on the next remote. Repeat for all remaining fobs. To finalize the programming, turn the ignition to the OFF position and completely remove the key. Then, unlock all doors using the driver's side power lock switch and open the driver's door. This action exits the programming mode. Finally, test each of your programmed key fobs to ensure they lock, unlock, and function correctly. For newer models, professional assistance may be required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.